Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Today, let's talk about the page limit of Studio sites, why there's a limit, and how much is the limit. So before you build a massive project, here are the things you should know. The 298 pages and the 100 static page limit. Wix Studio allows you to create up to 298 pages, including up to 100 static pages. Static pages are individual pages you design one by one, like your home, about, or contact pages, or pages that have fixed content. Thus, it's called static. But for most businesses, 100 pages is more than enough to tell the whole story, so it's all right. If you need lots of pages, this is where the CMS comes in. CMS allows you to create multiple web addresses of the same page. Design your dynamic page and use it as a template where you can display your CMS collection. So, why is there a limit? The 100-page limit is actually there to help you. Keeping your static page count manageable ensures your editor stays fast and your site loads quickly for visitors. It encourages you to use more efficient tools like the CMS or global sections to manage your content. If you find yourself getting close to the limit, it's always a great time to see if some of those pages could be combined or moved into a database. It keeps your site organized and much easier to maintain in the long run. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.